Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa ating channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Punta tayo sa ating topic, April 8, 2025. Dennis Padilla heartbroken after being treated, visitor, at daughter Claudia's wedding. Dennis Padilla, sagad sa buto. Ilang araw lamang matapos i-post ni Dennis Padilla ang reunion niya sa tatlo nilang anak nila ng ex-wife na si Marjorie Barreto, sina Julia, Claudia, at Leon, mukhang hindi na naman maayos ang relasyon ng komedyante sa mga ito. Ngayong Martes, April 8, 2025, sa pamamagitan muli ng social media, naglabas ng hinaing si Dennis dahil sa naging pagtrato umano sa kanya sa kasal ng anak niyang si Claudia Barreto. Base sa Instagram post ni Dennis, ikinasal ngayong araw si Claudia sa fiancé nitong si Basti Lorenzo. Hinutok ni Dennis, nabudol siya dahil sa halip na maging father of the bride, siya sa ginanap na kasal ay naging visitor lamang siya. Kalakip nito ang screenshot ng sulat kamay na mensahe, in all caps, grabe kayo. Nabudol nyo ako, father of the bride naging visitor, galing nyo. Nakasuperimpose dito ang salitang, budol. Makahulugang caption ni Dennis, finish, broken heart emoji, maliban dito ay wala nang ibinigay na detalye si Dennis kung ano ang nangyari. Pero may ilan siyang sinagot na netizens. Isang netizen ang nagtanong kung sino ang ikinasal. Pagsimpatya ng isang netizen, how sad Enman po, crying emoji, tugon dito ni Dennis, wala siyang naging parte sa programa. Hindi rin daw siya pinadalhan ng invite. Buong sabi niya, I don't have a part sa program. Ayaw nila padala invites, marami pang nakisimpatya kay Dennis sa comment section. Sabi ng isa, published as is, hayaan mo na lang po sila. Basta ikaw be good to them. Still be a good father kahit ayaw nila sayo. Diyos na lang po bahala gumanti sa kanila. May ilan ding pinayuhan si Dennis na manahimik na lang upang hindi lumala ang hindi nila pagkakaunawaan nila ng kanyang mga anak. Ayon sa isa, published as is, buti nga in-invite ka kahit may galit sa iyo mga anak mo tas ay papast mo pinangganan lalo kala ng kabwibwaizetin ng anak mo sinisiraan mo pa sa ibang tao and na inaman dapont nalalaman in mga ganan anak mo dien ang sinisiraan mo tama NPG gagagnan mo ano BGsto mo gawin nila sayo, payo naman isang netizen, published as is, masakit sobra ta pero sir, please take down your post po siguro ganun talaga kalalin yung mga sugat sa puso nila sayo kaya sana huwag na po dagdagan pa, be happy and be proud of them pasasaan ba't darating din sa point na makakasama kanila in natural way na, yung galit mo po sa puso mo idulog mo kay Lord at don mo isabwag na sa post kasi lalo kayo masisira niyan sa isa't isa. Ayon sa isa pa, published as is, sir you should be silent the more you this they will hate you on posting on public. If you are not acknowledged as a father please be grateful they still invited you. Remember you don't have relationship with Claudia just be grateful and remove this post. May nagpayo rin kay Dennis na sana ay ginawa na lang niyang pribado ang kanyang nararamdaman. Mahabang sermon ng netizen, published as is, should just deal with this privately. You may get sympathy from other people who doesn't know why you and your kids with Marjorie ended up this way. Most of the people from SOCMED doesn't know why you have so many kids from different women yet none of this mother and kids stay at your side right now. We mostly doesn't have any idea why, and who are we to judge? But as a father the elder, the supposedly mature one and the one who should shield his kids from all the bashing and condemned of everyone who don't have any idea on what really happened with you and your children. At least tried to bend this out not in social media but with people who can advise you fairly. And who know you and your kids truly. Your kids keep being quiet with their status of relationship to you, even the other children from other mother. As a dad who doesn't get any younger and might ended up with no one beside you even a partner or a child. Pray and meditate, ask yourself if social media really is the best place that can help you all to heal. Ask yourself if being quiet even if you feel that you are hurting is the best thing you can ever do as a dad and as a person. Wala nang sinagot na ibang komento si Dennis. Pero habang isinusulat ang artikulong ito ay binura na ni Dennis ang kanyang Instagram post. Bukas ang pep.ph, Philippine Entertainment Portal, sa panig ng lahat ng nabanggit sa artikulong ito. At yan ang atin latest showbiz chika update for today, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click the notification bell for more showbiz chika updates, like and share the video at suportahan po ang atin Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat, adios.